G'day, I'm Scott Gibbons from MrRV.com.au. I'm with Ray and Maria Moran, and they own Tyrepower at Taren Point, and they're just getting ready to retire, but we've come in and done some videos with you today. Now, are you happy with us?
Oh, you've been so easy to work with. It's
Easy?
great.
Great. Thank you. So you recommend us?
Oh, definitely.
All right, and if any other Tyrepowers want to come along and have a video done, you'd say it's easy and smooth?
It's wonderful.
So you're retiring, so Luke and Jasmine are taking over.
Yes.
So with Luke and Jasmine Berry, they've taken over Tyrepower at Taren Point, and the beaut part is that we've just done a video. Were you happy with it?
Yes, very easy.
Yeah.
No fears.
Put our mind at ease there.
It was so smooth.
No dramas?
No dramas.
So if you want your videos done, corporate-wise or otherwise, you just go to MrRV.com.au. That's MrRV.com.au, and we'll look after you, make you happy, just like Luke and Jasmine.